Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup when I'm in hurry or I'm late. The first thing that I do, I apply my primer, then after that my foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355. Since I'm in a hurry, I just use enough. I don't put a lot of it so that I can easily blend it. And after that, I'm going to cover my under eye with concealer. I'm using LiQWYD Pro concealer. Even that, I don't use too much, I just use enough so that it's easy for me to blend it in. Just tap and tap and tap like that. Always don't forget to wet your sponge or your beauty blender when you're blending. It's faster and easy that way. The next step, I'm going to blend in my setting powder. I'm not going to set, because setting powder we have to set it for it to sit for maybe some time or some minutes, but this one, since I'm in a hurry or late, I'm going to direct blend it. It's easier that way and faster. Make sure as you apply it, you also blend it so that you don't waste much of your time. Then I'm going to use my contour, blend it in. So since I'm in a hurry, I use my setting powder on my nose, and then I'm going to just also use a small brush to just contour my nose, which just takes some seconds. If you remember, I didn't contour my nose using the concealer, so I've just used the setting powder and the contour. And after that, I'm going to blend everything. And this time I'm going to use my finishing powder. This is the shortcut I've found that I can do my makeup, because I notice that when you start with your eyeshadow, eyebrows, it takes way longer. So when I try this method, guys, it takes just some minutes, then you're done. And after applying my finishing powder, I'm going to set and then do my eyebrows. Brush them out. I'm going to use my primer gel. Just brush my eyebrows. Then I'm going to draw just a thin line. Don't make it too loud, because we have everything on the face, foundation, powder, so you just want to draw that natural eyebrow, so you don't need to use a lot of eyebrow pencil. Just fill in your natural eyebrows. and then you brush out. This is faster than starting with the eyebrows, guys. So cleaning my eyebrows, I'm just using my foundation mixed with a little bit of concealer. I'm just cleaning the inner side of the eyebrows. On top, I'm going to leave it like that because we have already applied foundation in powder, so I'm not going to disturb anything. So after that, I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm using LiQWYD Pro Concealer. Then I'm going to set my eyelids. When I'm late, I don't use the most difficult eyeshadows or makeup, so I'm going to use the matte. I'm using the pink matte. Because it's easy to blend, you don't even need to take a lot of time blending it. Then I'm going to take the light pink again and blend it there on the eyelids. It's very fast and simple. Just make sure when you're blending you use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use just a little bit of brown to just blend it out. Then again I used pink, and then I'm going to use metallic pink on my inner eyes, or sparkly pink. And I'm going to just use a little bit of glitter, which doesn't take long. It's easy and simple to apply. Just use it on the eyeliner side, and then after that I'm going to apply my eyeliner. When you're late, I recommend you use the very simple eyeliner that you have, because if you decide to use the most difficult one, it can take long, and you know how eyeliners can be. You can spend almost maybe 5 minutes just doing your eyeliner. But when I'm late, I usually use just a simple one. Then I'm going to just apply mascara. Since I'm late, I don't want to start doing the job of applying for lashes. Then moving on to my lips. Even on my lips, I just use something very simple. I don't use anything complicated. Then I'm going to use my highlighter, but before that, I want my face to look fresh. I'm going to use just a little bit of my finishing powder brush, and then I'm going to do my highlighting. So after that, I'm going to use my spray, my finishing spray. Ta-da! I'm done. This is fast than ever. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.